Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your photos from your iPhone to external SSD or hard drive. So let's just jump into that. So I have Samsung T9 today, any SSD will work. And one more thing which you need to keep in mind is that I'm having iPhone 15 Pro, which is having a USB-C connector and down. But if you're having any older version like iPhone 12 or 13, you'll need to have an adapter which is lightning to USB-A or USB-C. And I will put the link in description so you can buy. And now let me just show you how you can connect that. And I will take this Thunderbolt cable. It's same like USB-C cable, but it gives you power and fast data transfer on the same time. So I will connect it to my drive and then I will connect it to my iPhone. And once I do that, it will start blinking a light on my SSD, which means it's accessing the data on the SSD and it's connected well. Some of the SSDs doesn't have this light. So I have connected my SSD through the cable to the iPhone, and now to access that, I'll go to my iPhone, and we know that whenever we connect any external drive to any of the iPhones, to access that, we need to go to the files. So I will search files, which is by default in iPhone, and I will open it, and then I will go to browse. I will click on downloads on top, you can see, and here I will click on my iPhone to be able to access all the drives. So if I go back to browse here, you can see all the drives are here, and I have Umair 2 named there as well. So after you are connected with your SSD and you can see it here, you can open and see if it's showing everything which you have on SSD. And one more thing which I want to say is, like, make sure that your SSD is at least exFAT formatted or formatted in MAC format, not in NTFS, because if it is in NTFS, it might not show on your iPhone. Now, let me just show you how you can go to your photos and you can transfer your photos and videos. So I will just go here. So these are all my photos. And one more thing which I want to say is, like, if you are gonna transfer your 4K videos, try to do it in batch. Don't do all the footage at once because it might stop at some stage and you will lose time. So do it in batches. Now I'm gonna just select, I have these videos and pictures, so let's say this much is fine for me. I'm just showing you guys, and then I will click on this share icon, and from here I'm gonna go down till I see export unmodified originals. This one, yeah. So I will click on this, and then I will open my drive. And here, let me just show you how you can create a new folder and keep your backup in this. So I will click on these three dots. I will say new folder, and I will name it as my iPhone backup, and I will say save. Now this is saved. I will now click on save again, and now you can see my videos are copying here. And once they are done, you will see like this. Now I will go to my SSD, and you can see I have a folder called my iPhone backup. I will open it, and my pictures and my videos are there now.